Okay. Yeah. So regarding the school web application, we initially made it in a way where anybody can register, students can register, only admin can register user, because since it's a student website, we want to avoid some kind of discrepancies or difference in the username, because students could go ahead to use things like ironman123.com, then ladies could go ahead to use sexy lady, stuff like that, to avoid all of that. So we made it in a way that only the admin will be able to register, and a unique ID will be generated for them. The unique ID will be generated will be starting with DGHCS plus 3 numbers. So every student would have that particular ID. So basically, let me just show you what I mean by that. So if I'm to come here, okay, this, let me show you our database. This is what we have. This is the database at the moment, and this is what we have. These are the dummy data that I was using, so when I was testing them. So let me just go ahead to run the code. I've started the code already, so let me just so basically, if you look at here, I said only admin can create new student. So basically, let me try to create new student. I have to log in as an admin first. So I'll go to this login route, and let me try logging in as an admin, because there will be a token that will be generated. Admin, and let me input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me send this request. Okay, so this is the details I get back. You see admin@gmail.com, blah blah blah. You get the details of the person. Then this is the token I need, because the admin everybody has a token, but in this token it contains the role of the user. This particular user is an admin. This is the role of the user, not a user. We have 2 particular roles. Either you are a user, which is of course the student, or you are an admin. Okay, so basically, so I need that token to be able to register new students, because I'm the admin. Like I said, only the admin can register new students. So I'm going to put that token there. Then I'm going to, let's try to register a new student. So let's assume the student name is Mr. Sami. Then email of I'm going to use my email. So let me use Kechuku aeworks@gmail.com. Then my password, then let's say grade okay, so let's assume I'm in basic 10, SS1, I guess. So what else? Then my department, of course, I'm gonna assume science class, basically. Then I think, let me check my database what I used. So for the student, okay, password, department, and okay, I think we're good to go. So let me try to register this particular new student. try to register this particular student. So basically what's going to happen is once I send this request as the admin, I will be authorized to do that. But if that token was not in this place, the request I'll be getting back would be something like you are not authorized, meaning you are not able to create something. But this is going to be successful because it's an admin that is doing this. Alright, so once I send the request, what the thing goes, I program the code in a way where it picks this email and goes to send a welcome text with the student ID to the person. So let's check that out. So when I send this request, like not implemented cookies yet, so it's taking time. I just wait a few. It's because of the network. Okay, that's because of the network. That's because of the network. Let me restart that. So our server is restarting, and let me error sending email blah 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 blah. So it's because of the network. My network seized at that moment. So I'm going to try to reconnect the network. So sorry about that. Coming. I think it should be connected now. Okay, yes, it is connected. So let me go out of this and restart again. Npm start. Okay, so let me check my database if Sammy had entered. Yes, Sammy had not entered. Let me see. Okay, nothing like Sammy there. So let's go back and let me see. Let's go back and so we're waiting for it to start. Once it runs, I'm supposed to get a response that the app is already working. So I'm waiting for that response. Sometimes network can be an issue, pain in the ass. Okay, so yeah, our app is working on port 304 and email transporter is ready. So let's try to log in this user again. Okay, yeah, success. Your student ID is this is the response you get back. So you get the student details. If you look at this, the role is user, not admin. Then the password, the department, when the thing was created, and everything like that. So this ID now, DGHCS342, yeah, a welcome email. If you look at this, there's a welcome email was sent. So obviously I sent a welcome email with the person's ID. Let's check our database first. If you observe, we have a new user which is called Sammy with an email of ikechukwu. So let me go to my Gmail and try to access it. So I need that to come up. Network. That was going to make the video too long. Okay. Ouch. Okay. I'm opening up my email. So yeah, this is it. So this is the welcome email. Yeah. This is the welcome email. I'm using my default, my other email as the sender mail. So when I get the official email of the school, then I would change that because I'll need to do some settings on their account. So I would set up that. But for now, I use my email as the sender email. So if you look at this, dear so person, welcome to DGHCS. That I will change that. That will probably be the name of the school. Then your student ID is blah blah blah, and your password is 12345 6. Keep your password. So this is the email you get when you register. Basically, it's for all students to get their ID. So let's try to log in with this. Let me try to log in with this email. So I'm sorry, student ID, and let's see about that. So let me see. Okay, let me just log in with the. Just log in with. Just log in with our email. So you can log in with your email, your email, your student ID, or your name. So either one of the two. So okay, so yeah, we logged in, and this is the access that we'll give you. This all of our information. So basically, so basically, so the admin can log in, register, and update user. The admin could also comment. So the admin could, let me bring this a little bit down. You can see my code more. So of course you can log in, you can update user, they can update user, they can delete the user, they can search for a particular user as an admin. Then of course I also did for results. If you want to add a particular result, you want to add students result, you know, put their name, their student ID, then the name of the file, and you know, like that. And so yeah, in case the user also forget their password, they can of course retrieve it. We send it to their email also, their new password. And okay, I think I should just prove that. I should just show. I think I should just show that before I end this video. I think I should just show that. I'm sorry the video is too long. Okay, so forgot password is expecting an email or the student ID. Okay, so now let me check my route. So check my route. Okay, forgot password. Okay, so basically, if you want to, let's say we forgot our password. So if you go to this forgot password route and input, let me use our student ID, not email this time. Okay, let me use email. Let me just use email since we have email here. Since we have email on the body. So if we send this forgot password, oh, so we get a response back that an email has been sent to the new password has been sent to this person. So basically, when the new password is sent, we also try to update it on the database. So okay, so password request was set. So we received a blah blah blah, and the new password is 801005. So let's try to log in with this. Yeah, this is how backend basically works. You're not saying the exact things that are working, but the fact is it works. Yeah. I was trying to do something. Okay, I was trying to log in with the new details. Okay, login, and password. Then we have the new details there. Okay, so let's log in with this. Of course, yeah, we still log in. Sammy and the other things. So basically, what's remaining is just the cookies. For them to give me the official email and do some editing, then put it online. Then the backend is up and running. Thank you. God bless you.